Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create an embedded bar chart based on selected data in Microsoft Excel. So get let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, they'll show the Excel document from the data. Allow this data from the bar chart based on selected data. Now select from all data. Now keyboard press from the alert F1. Then show the chart title on the show the bar chart. Now click for the plus icon option. Now click for the axis title. Now axis title from the list. Now again for click plus icon, data labels, and data table, and error bar, and time deadline option the then it is now let's see. Then I show the bar chart based selected data from the Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.